Whew. Mount Pleasant 0, Cavaliers 2. Cavalier 2, Mount Pleasant 0. Have to give me some speed in ratings. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Now, this is actually my reaction to the CONCACAF Club Championship. Caribbean Club Championship. We are telling the people why me enjoyed. Me enjoyed the game there. And me not lie, it was quite an intriguing game. Many things play out as well. A lot of persons wouldn't expect it to be. I, for one, have said, really? Really? You know what? This is actually, let's start from the starting lineup. But before that, we have to do the YouTube stuff. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much again for all your support, for the support, everything. But we could jump in night. So good morning, people. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Starting lineup, Mount Pleasant. Tafari Chambers, Fitzroy Cumming, Daniel Green, Jean Ferreira, Kimoni Bailey, Sule McCullough, Jashawn Anglin, Nicholas Nelson, Alex Marshall, Shaquille Dyer, Jamai Tope. Start 11 for Cavalier. Jaden White, Shamar Watson, Richard King, Giovanni Leng, Jalmara Calvin, Christopher Ainsworth, Dwayne Allen, J. Lloyd Smith, Jerome McCleary, Alexander Gooden, Shaquille Steen. And me I tell us the people. I give it easy. If you look at the bench, if you look at the Cavalier bench, let me tell you, there's one name, two names, basically. Two names upon the Cavalier bench where I can say these players are known to the league, these players are impactful. And that's is Vino Bartlett and Busy Atkinson. Yes, Kelly Avery is there as well. So we can probably say 3. But listen to the Mount Pleasant bench. Shaquan Davis, national goalkeeper. Odien Pennycook, one of the best goal defender in the league. Devante Campbell, Shandy James, Shadson Milan, the player from, I think Canada come from here. Nathaniel James, Kevin Graham, Malachi Sterling, Jonathan Stephenson. I'm from Panama. Shaquille Bradford and Rioni Himbogain from Cameroon. International players, foreign players. Why? Their squad are big. And if you look on, if you say valuation of squad, Mount Pleasant valuation, it probably in the region at nearly $30 million or $30 million Jamaican dollar in the region there. Probably Cavalier, let me say the most expensive player on Cavalier team is I gotta say 3 players. Richard King, Vino Bartlett, Busy. These are the most expensive players. So probably Cavalier team not reach 10 million where valuation is concerned. Probably not reach 10 million. I don't know if it reach so much. So probably don't reach 10 million where valuation is concerned. But for certain, I have to give Mr. Speed big respect. The squad that I see Mount Pleasant put out before the game even kick off, I said, boy, this look rough on Cavalier. That's what I said. Before the game kick off, I said, this look rough on Cavalier. Because of the enormous amount of talent that I saw on the Mount Pleasant bench. But what I find out is names on paper, I mean nothing. Well, I think the general football fans supposed to know that. Names on paper means nothing. nothing at all. It mean nothing. It no mean nothing. If you don't have a team we're cohesive and can play together, it means nothing at all. This is actually a very bad start for Mount Pleasant. And unfortunately, they showed their hand really early in before the league even kick off. They showed them hand. I think that's the worst part for them. They'd have shown their hand so early. Now, listen to this. Me mentioned Busy, no? Busy never play. Vino Barkley never play. Me I go call some names that was not present for Cavalier. What about first team players? Adrian Reed, Ronaldo Barrett, Giovanni Leng. No, Leng was here. Stop, not Giovanni Leng. Kyle Ming, Gadiel Irvin. Who else missing? Everybody that? Reed, Barrett, Ming, Irvin, and Busy never touch a field. They didn't touch a field. None at all. So I have to say, credit. I have to give Rudolph some credit for this. Touching goal on the platform with such a young squad, putting a performance like that, defeating a star-studded team. You have to say, look on the squad the Mount Pleasant have. For them have Alex Marshall. So at some point in the game, I say, well, technically Alex Marshall was one of the better players on the pitch for them. But he must have received the ball way deep. Nothing much to come out tight. Nothing much to come out tight. The coach had to make some early changes. And when they check it out, 2 goals scored in a similar fashion. One from the penalty still, but that's how they created the penalty chance. Direct, straight down the middle of the park. Straight down the middle of the park. Cross coming out box. The name Stein. And Stein starts look good, look really good. look really good. Well, Mount Pleasant was playing a high line and they defended them down fast. Stein, Calvin. Well, Stein, Calvin, who else? Who's your other striker? Who was the other striker, man? Let me find the people. I find my sitting there. So it was actually 2 strikers them I use. It was Stein and Kelvin. Well, I think McClure sometimes, well, he not move in the everywhere on the pitch still. He play back in practical play everywhere. But it was a good showing by the Cavalier team, a young Cavalier team with some schoolboy footballers night as well. The 2 centre back, J. Lloyd and Gooden, on a big stage versus quality players, and they stood up. They stood their ground. And it shows boy something is happening at Cavalier. Cavalier over the weekend last Sunday gone, they won the U17. And I think about two of the players who played in that U17 team, that one U17 over the weekend, were on the bench. They were on the bench for Cavalier. So something happened. It shows that the club have a good little something that go on. And if you watch the Cavalier youth teams, they don't play no different from the senior team. They don't play not much different from the senior team. Very, very similar. Extremely similar. So it's quite an interesting. So I have to say, big up, well done Cavaliers, well done Rule of Speed. Mount Pleasant, and I have to go back to the drawing board. And fix up because look good. I want to show the answer early. More what Arnett's supposed to happen. Arnett's supposed to happen. But I go still. Hey, people hold up a big ego in the dressing room there, no? And when I see them hold up a substitution there, rip out so fast, I say. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Don't know a thing already. Much put my dinner this as a man at trouble. Big up on yourself, people. MG Sports TV. God bless. We're out. Boom. Tell me one thing in the comment section, people. And I mean, like, share, and subscribe.